Legends of Learning presents the Mindustry game. This is a math game that makes learning about writing expressions using letters fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, it takes place in a factory where the player follows and interacts with a production line. This line is always composed of a number of products entering at the beginning of the line and another quantity leaving at the end of it. During this process, new quantities of product may enter or leave in the middle of the production line. The player must identify production lines and transcribe them as an algebraic expression, as well as assemble production lines based on algebraic expressions. Use the mouse to click on the different options to correctly complete the production line. Solve the math problems by inserting numbers and math operations with variables to complete each level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.